Most people waste hours making YouTube shorts. They search for topics, write scripts, find visuals, record voiceovers, and edit everything manually. But what if AI could create an entire shorts video in minutes? In this video, I'll show you a simple AI automation system that generates viral shorts almost automatically. I'll also give you the exact prompts I used. But first, look at this shorts video.
Fact 1. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Fact 2. Humans can detect fear in sweat, even without smelling anything.
Everything in this video, the script, visuals, and voiceover, was generated using AI. Let's break down exactly how to create videos like this. This workflow is perfect for creating 5 Facts YouTube Shorts channels. Using AI, we will find viral topics, generate the script, create cinematic visuals, generate voiceover, and produce a ready-to-upload shorts video. Let's start with step 1. Step 1. Finding viral topics. The first thing we need is viral video ideas. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Once you run it, ChatGPT instantly generates 30 viral facts video ideas. That means you now have 30 shorts ready to create without researching anything. Step 2. Generating the script. Copy one of the topics and paste this script prompt into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete short script with a strong hook, 5 engaging facts, and a clean structure perfect for short videos. Step 3. Creating visuals using Grock. Now we create the visuals for the video. First, go back to ChatGPT and paste this visual prompt generator. ChatGPT will now generate 5 cinematic visual prompts, one for each fact. Next, open Grock. Paste each visual prompt into Grock. Grock will generate ultra-realistic cinematic scenes for every fact. Step 4. Creating voiceover. Now, let's create the voiceover. Open ElevenLabs and go to Text-to-Speech. Paste the script and generate the voice. In just a few seconds, you'll have a high-quality AI narration for the entire video. Step 5. Final editing. Now, combine everything in an editor like CapCut. Import the visuals and voiceover. Arrange the visuals one by one according to the facts. Then add auto captions, background music, quick transitions between facts, and your viral shorts video is ready to upload. And that's the complete AI automation workflow for creating viral YouTube shorts. Using this system, you can easily create multiple videos every single day. If you want, I can also show you the best fact niches for shorts, how automated shorts channels make money. Subscribe for more AI automation tutorials.